Last week, iQOO launched the iQOO 15 series in China. The brand has already confirmed that the iQOO 15 will arrive in India next month. Now, a new teaser titled Guess the Launch Date, posted by iQOO India CEO Nipun Marya strongly hints at the big day. In the teaser, the spinning wheel briefly stops on the date 27/11 three different times, pointing to November 27th as the likely India launch date. The teaser also reveals the phone's India design, featuring a sleek white finish and RGB lighting around the camera island. The camera module clearly shows support for 100x digital zoom. Recent promotions further confirm that the iQOO 15 will be the first iQOO phone in India running OriginOS 6 out of the box. In China, the iQOO 15 starts at 41.99 Yuan, which is roughly 51,800 Indian rupees, and comes in four colors: silver red, green, white, and black, plus a special King of Glory Collector's Edition in a striking blue finish. So, are you excited for the iQOO 15? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.